Could you give a quick overview on what typhoid really is?
So, typhoid fever is a bacterial infection which is caused by the bacteria Salmonella typhi. It essentially spreads or is caused through contaminated food and water resources, and it is commonly present in areas with poor sanitation.
How did you contract it?
So, I personally contracted it during a school trip where I didn't have access to my own water and I was compelled to drink the water which is present over there, which is what led to me experiencing symptoms and eventually contracting typhoid.
When did you first realize something was wrong? What were your initial symptoms and how did they progress?
I first realized something was wrong a day after I came back from the trip. It began with what was a low grade fever in the morning when I woke up and some shivering, which quickly escalated to a higher temperature, which wasn't going down to a normal level, despite the fact that I was taking medication. It eventually reached a point where I was not able to keep any food down, and I also had a high fever and some dizziness or fatigue. So, all these symptoms coupled together meant that I unfortunately had to spend 2 days recovering in the hospital on antibiotic drips and stuff. So, after that, I was on a course of oral antibiotics for a week, which had to be extended to a second week because I kept getting a recurrent low grade temperature. So, the recovery process for typhoid was definitely pretty long. But I mean, I read cases where people were recovering from it for maybe even a month or more. So it varies from person to person, I think.
What was the biggest challenge you faced in this journey?
I think one of the biggest challenges with typhoid is particularly the amount of time it takes to recover from it and the amount of medication you have to be on while you're recovering. So, these two things together can generally lead to a lot of long term symptoms like fatigue and exhaustion, which can be difficult to deal with in the long run.
What was your recovery process like? How long did it take and what kind of treatment did you undergo?
Initially, while I underwent blood tests to test for a possible diagnosis, I did not test positive for typhoid at any point. However, because my symptoms were consistent with typhoid fever and I had a history of traveling, I was treated accordingly.